Hi, hello, good morning children. I am Vijayalakshmi from Tiny Dots Group of Schools. I am teaching social studies for second class students. Already we completed five lessons in our textbook. How many lessons we have completed? Five lessons in our textbook. Before going to the session, I am going to ask you one GK question. All of you open your homework notebooks and enter this question in your homework notebook. Write the date and day and subject and write homework in your homework notebook. What is our national anthem? What is our national anthem? And what is our national bird? Write these two questions in your homework notebook. Ask your parents and write the answers for these two questions. First question, what is our national anthem? What is our national anthem? And what is our national bird? What is our national bird? Write the answer for these two questions. Okay, children. And are you taking care of corona disease? Why? Because you are staying in home only. You are not coming to school. Don't go outside. Stay in your home only. Listen to your elders and watch YouTube classes properly. Later then write your homeworks properly. Tomorrow I will send classwork through your WhatsApp. You enter in your classwork. Write neatly, children. Okay. Now look at the topic. What we are going to learn in this lesson? Bits and project work. Bits and project work. Lesson number 5. Neighborhood. What is the lesson number 5? Neighborhood. Neighborhood. The people who are living near and around our house, those people are calling our neighbors. What is meant by neighborhood? The area which is surrounded our house. That area and the places in that area are called our neighborhood. Already I explained about the shops, park, police station and hospital, fire station and bank. I explained these 5 places in our neighborhood. We want shops. Without shops we cannot eat food, we cannot purchase items. Shops are very much needed in our life. And second one, park. Park is useful to enjoy, to play and exercise. And post office. Third one is post office. Post office is used to send the information to other places, to other people. We can receive and send letters through post office. Postman picks the letters from the post box. Post box is red in color and he picks the letters from the post box and he sends to the people who are what was written on that covers, to the addresses. And a hospital is very much needed for the patients and for the injured people. Who will be in hospital? Doctors and nurses. And an important special vehicle is also there, ambulance. What is that? Ambulance. Ambulance is a special vehicle which is used to pick up the injured people or patients. And it drops in the hospital. Then after that nurses and doctors attend to them. If we call 108, we can call ambulance. This is about the hospital. And next one, fire station. Next one, fire station. Fire station is used to put out the fire. Fire station is used to put out the fire. If we call fire station through 101, fire brigade will come and it puts off the fire without burning. And next one, police station. Police station is used to protect from thieves and bad people, and it protects our valuable things. If we call 100, then the police will come and help to us. Okay. And next one, bank. A bank is a place where can we deposit and withdraw the money, and we can keep our valuable things in the lockers also. This is about the places in our neighborhood. Now I am going to tell you some bits and the project work. Ma, you take one A4 sheet and draw four sides margins and project work. Social project work. You ask five members of your friends. You interview. You ask the information of your friends. What would you write? First, you write the name of your friend. Name of your friend and write the address of your friend. For example, your friend's name is Jitendra. He is living in Ramirepeta, 4th line in Nasraupeta. 4th line, Ramirepeta, Nasraupeta. Then write his phone number. Write his phone number. Like that, you collect 5 members' names, addresses and phone numbers and you write on A4 sheet. Imagine this is the A4 sheet. This is the A4 sheet. Write about social project work. Write your name on it and draw 4 sides margin and write here first friend's name, address and phone number. Second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, like that. You fill up the A4 sheet with the particulars of 5 members. 5 members. Okay, children. This is your project work. This is your project work. Later then, how would be a good neighbor? ఇరుగు పొరుగు వాడితోటి ఎలా ఉండాలి, ఎంత మంచిగా ఉండాలి, మంచిగా ఉండాలంటే ఎటువంటి అలవాట్లు ఫాలో కావాలి, వాట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ హ్యాబిట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో టు బీ ఏ గుడ్ నైబర్. ఒక మంచి పిల్లవాడిగా మంచి వ్యక్తిగా ఉండాలంటే ఇరుగు పొరుగు వాడితో ఎలా ఉండాలి, హౌ వుడ్ యూ బిహేవ్ విత్ యువర్ నైబర్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ ద 5 tips? What are the 5 tips? Okay, look at the first one. Say hello when you meet your neighbors. Hi, hello, good morning, like that. Anyone when you meet them, you just wish them by saying hello. Second one, don't play loud music. Don't keep the TV loudly. Why? Because it might disturb others. It might nice to వచ్చిన sound పెట్టుకుంటా అనొద్దు. That is a very bad habit. Don't play loud music. And third one, keep your neighborhood clean. మీ ఇంటి మొత్తాన్ని శుభ్రం ఉంచుకొని మీ ఇంట్లో చెత్త మొత్తం బయట పక్క వాళ్ళ ఇళ్ళలో రోడ్డు మీద పారబోసారు అనుకోండి, ఇట్ మే కాజ్ సో మెనీ డిసీజెస్ లైక్ cholera, typhoid, dengue, like that. So keep the dust and the unuseful things in the dustbin only. Every day municipality workers are coming to collect garbage from houses. So keep the dustbin outside. Keep in the dustbin only. Keep your neighborhood clean and fresh, clean and neat. Help them when they are need. If their kid are going to tuition, if he is feeling alone, you help them. And if they are feeling sick, you help them to go to hospital and engage them and you mix with them on festivals and functions. Then it will be very healthy environment if you mix with your neighbors like that. These are the 5 tips to be called as a good neighbor. First one, when do you meet them, just you wish them. And second one, keep your surroundings clean and neat. Third one, help them when they are in need. వాళ్ళ అవసరంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు సహాయం చేయండి, నాకెందుకులే ఊరుకోవద్దు. And fourth one, do not play loud music. It may disturb them. Don't quarrel and shout on them. You talk politely with them. Use magical words, please, thanks, like that. Use magical words like please and thank you, please, thank you and sorry. Then your neighborhood will be very effective and happy. Okay, children, these are the 5 tips you have to follow to be a good neighbor. Now look at the blanks. Open your homework notebook, children, and write down the blanks. Look at the first one. What is the first one? Look at this, children. We keep our money in a bank. Where do we keep our money? We keep our money in a bank. And next one, if we want to call police, if we want to call for police station, which number we have to dial? 100. If we want to call ambulance to go to hospital, which number you have to call? 108. If we want to call fire station, which number you have to call? If you want to call fire station, which number you have to call? 101. 1. If you want to call ambulance, which number you have to call? Which number you have to call? You have to dial 102. Okay children, these are the numbers you have to write in your telephone dictionary. In the severe situations, difficult situations, you only can dial. If you call 100, you can call police station. If you call 102, you can call ambulance. If you call 101, you can call fire station. You can call fire station. Okay children, this is about the numbers you have to call. You have to call. The area around our house is called. What is the area around our house? Neighborhood. Neighborhood. Okay. The people around your house. The people around your house. Neighbors. The people around your house. Neighbors. You have to keep your neighborhood clean. Clean and neat. You have to keep your neighborhood clean and neat. Okay children. Next. In the case of fire, whom do we call? Fire station. In the case of fire, whom do we call? Fire station. In the case of injuries, whom do we call? Ambulance. A-M-B-U-L-A-N-C-E. Ambulance. Where in the case of thieves, whom do we call? In the case of thieves, whom do we call? Police station. If anybody make a robbery in our house or thieves come to our house, we have to call police station. We have to call police station. Okay children, this is about the blanks in the lesson number 5. We have to keep our money in the bank. If we want to call police, we have to dial 100. If we want to call ambulance, we have to dial 102. If we want to call fire station, we have to dial 101. If thieves come to our house, then we have to call police station. The area around our house is called neighborhood. And the people who live around our house are called neighbors. And keep your neighborhood clean. And if in the case of fire, we have to call fire station. And in the case of injuries, we have to call ambulance. Okay, this is about the blanks in lesson number 5. Lesson number 5. Okay children, what is a neighborhood? Read with me all of you. See, what is a neighborhood? The place near or around our house is called neighborhood. The place near or around our house is called neighborhood. Who are our neighbors? Who are our neighbors? The people near or around our house are called neighbors. Name any 5 places in your neighborhood. 5 places. Shops, park, post office, police station, hospital, bank and fire station. Park, shops, police station, post office, hospital, bank and fire station. What does a green grocer sell? What does a green grocer sell? Green means pachisavu. Yavaramutharu. Green grocer sells fruits and vegetables. Green grocer sells fruits and vegetables. Where do we keep our money? We keep our money in a bank. We keep our money in a bank. Okay. Where do we play? We play in a park. We play in a park. Where can we take treatment to the diseases? Where can we take treatment to the diseases? Or where do we go when we are sick? ఒంట్లో బాగలేనప్పుడు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తాం? We go to hospital. We go to hospital when we are sick. We go to hospital when we are sick. And where do we go in the time of fire? Whom do we call in the case of fire? In the case of fire, we have to call fire station. We have to call fire station. Whom do we call in the case of robberies? In the case of robberies, we have to call police station. We have to call police station. Okay, children. Now I tell you four words. What is the odd word? Tell me now. What is the odd word? Ambulance, patient, doctor, bench. What is the odd word here? Ambulance, patient, doctor, bench. What is the odd word? Bench. Why? Because the remaining three are belonging to hospital and one is different. One is different. And next one, stamps, letters, postcards, bank. Stamps, letters, postcard, bank. What is the odd one here? Bank. What is the odd one? Bank. Next one, swings, seesaws, slides, ambulance. Swings, seesaws, slides, ambulance. Remaining three are situated in park. Only ambulance is the odd one, different one. Next one, policeman, fire engine, fire station, firefighter. Policeman, fire engine, fire station, firefighter. What is the odd one here? Police station. Police station. Okay. This like we can find out the different one. Remaining three are belong to the same category and one is the different one. So we have to find that. We have to find that, children. Now, what can we buy in milk booth? What can we buy in the milk booth? Milk. And what can we buy in the post office? Postcards, stamps and envelopes. What can we do in hospital? We can consult a doctor. We can consult a doctor. What do we do in police station? We can get the information about thieves. We can get the information about lost things. We can get the information about lost things. And what do we do with fire station? We have to call fire station in the case of fire. In the case of fire. Okay, children, open your homework notebook, enter these 10 blanks and write each word 5 times again. And do this project work also. Write the name of your friends, 5 members, and write their address and write their phone number. Children, I think you have understood your homework properly and write these 10 words each one 5 times. I will ask you one more time. What do we do with shops? We can purchase things. We can purchase the things which we are needed. What are the examples of shops? Milk booth, stationery shop, chemist shop, green grocer shop and grocery shop. These are the shops. Shops are the important part of our life. Without shops, we can't purchase anything. Okay. And next one, park. Park is useful to play, to walk and to exercise. To play, to walk and exercise. We can see seesaws, slides and swings. Seesaws, slides and swings. Okay. And next one, hospital is useful when we are sick. When we are sick. We can see ambulance, patients, doctors and nurses. Patients, doctors, nurses and ambulance in hospital. And next one, post office. Post office is useful to receive and send letters or money orders. We can see post box and postal cards or stamps and postman. Next one, police station. When we are in any problem or when we are in any difficult situation, we can call upon police. We can see policeman in police station and if we give report to them, they can inquire about the thieves and the bad people. Okay, this is about police station. Next one, bank. What can we see in bank? Clerks, manager, money. We can withdraw or deposit money and we can see safety lockers also. What do we do that safety lockers? We can keep the valuable things like silver, gold and important documents, house documents like that. We can keep the valuable things in safety lockers. Okay. Next one, fire station. If any fire occurs in our house or in our neighborhood, if we call fire station, then fire brigade will come and firefighter puts out the fire. This is about the neighborhood. Neighborhood means the area surrounded our house. That is called neighborhood. Irugu porugu. Okay children, write this homework in your homework notebook and complete it and write it 5 times. Okay, bye children.